Oh, hello friends. My name is Anubhav More, and today's date is the 2nd October. And today I am talking about the Bean Factory and application context. So Bean Factory instantiation or wiring, application context, Bean instantiation wiring, automatic Bean post processor registration, automatic Bean Factory post processor registration, convenient message source access, application event publications. So if you need any of the points presented on the application context side, you should use application context. So Bean Factory is a lightweight, but if you are going to be using a spring or a reel, you may as well go with the application context. There is a very little overhead involved if you don't use fancy features, but they are still available for it when you do use them. So what does it mean? You say automatic bean processor registration. Does it mean that class does not have to implement that interface? Application context support AOP against bean factory. With bean factory we can pass constructor parameters dynamically and the application, but with the application we cannot do that. Application we cannot do that. So an important ones, we can pass important note from the link Spring documentation, version of Spring 2.0, 2.0 and above make heavy of the bean post processor extension point to the effect of proxying and such like. And if you are the just a plan bean factory, then fair amount of the support such as a transaction and AOP, that if you using AOP will not work take effect, at least without some extra steps on your part. So Spring provides two kinds of IOC controls. One is a XML bean factory and other is a application context. So Apple bean factory and application context, annotation support, no and yes. Bean post processor registration, manual and automatic. Implementation, so bean factory XML bean factory and application concept, class path, file system slash web application context. So internationalization, so no and as. Enterprises services, no and as. Application event publication, no and as. So bean factory is the file system XML application context being loaded through the full path. class path XML application context being provides loaded through a class path. XML web app, the application context and the annotation five web application context being loaded through the web application context. Annotation configuration application context loading Spring Bean from annotation based configuration. Suppose for example, application context is equal to new annotation file application context. So application is the is the container initialized by a context loader listener or a context loader servlet defined in a web.xml and context loader plugin defined in a structs configuration XML. So XML, the bin factory XML bin factory we are going to using on a Spring for real. May have a, you may as well go with the application context. There is a very little overhead involved if you don't use in a bean factor fancy features, but they still available for if and you do use them. What does it mean when you say automatic beam processor registration? Does it mean that class does not have to implement that interface? Application context supports AOP against bean factory. application context support AOP bean against interfactory. So thank you.